Hello there, it's CreativeSarah, and today we're going to do a really cute project with our Sweeter Than Honey transfer, our door tag, and a couple wooden cutouts. I'm using some black velvet chalk paste, and I mixed it with just a little bit of water to make it spreadable, and I'm going to paint the surface of our door tag. I want to make it black. So I'm just going to fill the whole thing, and then I will dry it with our quick dry tool, and you can touch up after it's dry. If you see any spots that you want to make a little darker, you can do that afterwards and just keep drying it. And then it is ready to work with. I'm going to do the same thing with our bumblebee chalk paste, and we're going to paint our little honeycomb wood cutout and our dripping honey cutout. So same kind of thing, and you can, again, go over multiple coats if you want to, but the water just helps to make it a little spreadable. I'm going to dry it, make sure it's completely dry, and then we're going to attach it to the door hanger. So I am going to use the 2-glue method. I'm going to put some all-purpose Gorilla Glue on different spots, and then I'm going to add hot glue. The hot glue will set it instantly and hold it in place, while the Gorilla Glue takes hours to dry, so there will be time for it to dry. All right, now I'm just going to go ahead and adhere this dripping honey over top of the honeycomb. Okay, so we have a cute little base for our sign. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut apart my transfer and get ready to paste, but first we are going to wax the surface, just the black surface that's remaining. So I took some of our surface wax and an applicator, and I'm just rubbing in circles and basically waxing that to put a nice seal over the chalk paste that I used to paint. Then I'm going to fuzz my transfer and go ahead and lay it down and get to chalking. I'm going to use our white chalk paste and our bumblebee. Using my mini squeegee, I am smoothing the chalk paste across the silk screen. So you're going to kind of apply the chalk paste, smooth it with that squeegee, scrape it across the screen, and of course dry it when you're finished. I dry in between these because they're going to overlap, and I don't want anything to get smudged or to come off. So again, you're just kind of scraping. Like if you can butter bread, that's what you're doing here. You're scraping the chalk paste across the silk screen with your squeegee. There you go. Now we're going to dry it. Make sure it's completely dry before we do any more. We have to add some cute bees. So there are 2 little bumblebees that come with this set. I'm going to put one up here in yellow, and then I'll do a couple more in yellow. One towards the top and then one towards the bottom. And then I'm going to do one off on that dripping honey over there on the side. We're going to do that one black because we have already painted the dripping honey yellow. So there, cute, cute, cute. So here's a little look at it before we get our embellishments going. Now, I am going to take 3 different designs of ribbon and a little cable tie, like a little zip tie, and I'm just going to make different bows which way, crisscross applesauce kind of. And then I'm going to use that zip tie to hold them together. This is the easiest way I found to make kind of the bigger, puffier bows. And after I get it all fluffed out, I'm just going to take another strip of ribbon to go across the center and to hang down for our little tails. And I'm going to go ahead and tie that once, and then I will do a dove tail cut on the ribbons. So it'll be really cute when we put it on, and I'm just going to hot glue that on there, and that hole will be accessible so you can hang it on a door. So awesome. Make sure you follow CreativeSarah at home for more ideas, inspiration, and of course, insider information. Thanks for watching.